Hey guys!
Today we'll be following a Bob Ross painting tutorial, and this is actually our second time painting because the first time the video was corrupted, so we're not going to upload it, but we will insert clips of it right now.
Anything that we don't use, we just turn it into a shadow. Or maybe it'll turn out to be water. Who knows? Say something about like him.
I think you're behind now.
That's a good way to clean the excess paint.
Why doesn't it even look like he's one?
It looks like your one. That's all that matters, alright?
That does not look like his colour.
Yeah, it does.
How did he do that stick?
There, maybe that little tree.
Those look so bad.
He did 6 trees, so I'm gonna do 5 because I'm different. Mine's actually coming out nice. Or maybe I'm blind.
Expectations and reality.
That's not bad. Well, it kind of looks like a tree. This one's just too damn big. I'm looking at him while I'm doing it, so it looks like I'm painting that photo. Do you think if I switch paintings, Jenny will notice? Because her one looks better.
Hey, doing something to mine? Why you look so suspicious?
Is that your painting? I'm gonna switch it, but you came back too quick.
We're only 7 minutes in and it's taken us half an hour.
Okay, now let's take some
This finger painting.
sienna.
What happened?
I mean, it looks, I put so much white here. Teach you some Vietnamese real quick. What is tree in Vietnamese?
Gay.
Gay. That is a gay. What is this guy again? Joy. Joy. See, Joy. Gay. Remember that.
That easy. See, these are sits up high.
Unbelievable. How do you make a tree look so nice? Alright. I think my one's pretty much done. Like, I'm not gonna go crazy and add many bushes and stuff like that. Jenny's looks pretty good. Jenny's actually looks really nice.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, now we gotta pack it up. Also, the first time we posted our paintings on Instagram and got you guys to vote which one you liked better, and I lost. It was actually 30 votes to Jenny and 2 votes to me, one of them being myself. So it doesn't count. Hopefully I'm gonna try a little harder today. And yeah.
So the painting that we are going to try to paint today is called Reflections of Calm. And it took him 25 minutes.
Should probably take us 2 hours. So what happened was our SD card messed up twice, so we had to get out a new one. And we lost some film, but all you guys missed out on was we painted the sky blue, and there's this little like white reflection thing that we messed up. Well, I messed up, Jenny didn't. She actually left the white thing. And yeah, moving on.
So now we're gonna paint a mountain.
Our brush is good and dry, and we'll grab it because the liquid. Yeah, that was a solid dark color.
It doesn't happen like his. It doesn't go lighter.
Yeah, how about one right there? But it's that easy.
It's not
There's
easy.
no right or wrong here.
It's not
The
easy.
only rule that we have here is that painting should make you happy. You should enjoy it.
I'm not enjoying this.
If it does that, then it's good. And just basically repaint it.
Whoa, that's lit.
That's okay.
Did he flip it?
No, he didn't.
I'm gonna take just like
Freehanded.
we did.
I don't like mine.
That's how I felt 20 minutes ago.
Do you like yours now?
Nope.
How would you feel if it was like a draw or like close? Would you be satisfied then?
Nope. I want to win. My competitor. Another update. My reflection is looking alright. Jenny hasn't even started her reflection. But her mountains look pretty good. Pretty good. Mine's starting to look like a volcano.
Just want to
How is his purple and mine black?
pull that color.
Oh! No, lucky.
Just want
Why don't we just not touch anything and come back to this tomorrow?
Oh, but I'm already in the zone.
No, that's not fair.
Sorry, it's not my fault you're leaving.
No. So guys, because there's still 25 minutes in the video and it's already taken us an hour and 15 minutes, I have to go to basketball training. So she's gonna catch up to me and finish her reflection, and then she's not gonna touch it at all. And I'm gonna come home, I'm gonna sleep, and then tomorrow we're gonna finish this off. That way it's fair. She's not gonna go on without me, and then you guys can decide which one's better. This is how far we've gone, you know. My volcano mountain's looking nice. Kind of. Just please sugarcoat it. Don't hurt my feelings. And she's trying to catch up. By the way, her painting's upside down because she's trying to do the reflection. But hers is looking pretty good. It's supposed to look like this. Alright. Brushes down. Brushes down. Give me that brush. Give me that brush.
Okay, let's do a poll.
We are back, you know. Unfortunately the polls aren't in my favor. I probably have, it says 33%. So clearly people aren't liking my artwork. But it's okay, you know. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. So hopefully I pick back up. But yeah, let's continue. I really want this to be over. Like I've took the L. I've taken the L.
Seriously?
Actually, come on, you can do this, Kim. Oh, I give up.
Why?
What is this?
The grass in the middle.
Guys, does this look like the grass in the middle?
Something about like that.
I feel like anything I do, it's like I have to fix it. You know what I mean? It's not like, oh, I did it exactly like him. I have to fix it.
Bring it together. Normally we
I
pull
like
down.
vomited on
This
this.
time, pull up. We live right at the base of this old mountain. What a view they would have. A little touch of that color. And we can go right in here and get an indication of a little reflection. Right.
Can you make more of this color?
Why me?
We're just using the same mountain color. Here, all we're doing is blocking in some
Hey, man.
basic shapes. Put in a big tree right over the top of it.
Painting.
But that's all right.
Painting?
There.
Terrible.
We'll decide what that feels later.
Because everyone's voting for Jenny's painting.
Fan brush. Last one.
Matt didn't even vote.
Yeah, Matt, Jenny's hot that you didn't vote. She saw that you saw the poll and she's like, how come Matt didn't vote?
I didn't want to hurt his feelings. And then, if I had voted for Kenny, Jenny would have legitimately thought that I believe Kenny's is better. And then, that's just insulting.
Oh, so you didn't want to vote at all because you know that it would hurt my feelings because you're going to vote for Jenny.
Yeah, it was a lose-lose for me. If I had voted for Kenny, I would have been lying. If I
Oh.
had voted for Jenny.
The thing is,
It really hurt.
the thing is, how did you know which one was mine? We didn't write Kenny or Jenny. We just wrote left or right.
Because I know. Like, I know your artistic skills are very below par.
Savage.
But to be fair, Kenny, your shit's actually good. Like Jenny's making.
Nah, don't try to suck up now.
No, I mean dead on. Like, if I had to paint that, it would be way worse.
Oh, my trees don't look like trees.
Look at there. See,
I
it
think
brings it all
that's gonna be the difference. People are gonna pick your painting because your trees look
Brings
like
it all
trees.
together. Go
Oh my
across.
god, he added stone. We're like so
Take a small
behind.
knife.
Let's skip the stones.
Just an indication. Enjoyed this. And
Oh, he's
Oh,
done.
he's done.
The rest of this,
Thanks, Bob.
my friend.
Right on, bro.
The collection. Bring it all together. Just to bring it together. Shoot, I think we got a finished painting here. Really hope you've enjoyed this, and hope you'll join us for the rest of this television series.
I think I'm just gonna call this one. I'll try harder the next one.
That sounds good.
I'm not hearing it. I know how you do these reverse psychology stuff. But it's not good. Not good. 0 votes. Alright guys, we just finished up here. Or finishing up. Here's what mine looks like. Vote for mine, please.
My brush is shedding. It's a crappy brush.
Yeah, buy the brush. Jesus, pretty good. Pretty good.
I want to do more trees. Can I add more trees,
Nah,
please?
nah, you've had enough trees.
Hey guys, so we've finished painting now. We've kind of just given up because it took too long and Bob Ross is just too good. And
Yeah, we gave up on the rocks.
Yeah.
I don't know which way mine is. Like, is it?
No, it's that way. Yeah. So we're gonna post a poll now on our Instagram and get you guys to vote for the best one. Okay, go.
Alright guys, vote for the one on the right.
But the information investigators need will have to come from those involved in the underworld.
Ra chọn cái nào?
Cái này may sao đậm vậy?
Cái nào đẹp hơn chút?
Ê, đó cái nào đẹp hơn?
Police are still
Yeah!
I told you yours is nice. This one.
Oh!
Why? Actually, no.
Be honest.
No, this one. Why? Actually, I don't know. They're both bad. So now we're gonna try and stick our paintings on the wall using these.
I'm gonna call this the Bob Ross wall.
Can you stick another one on? So I'm just standing there.
That's what I do. I stand there. Giveaway. All you gotta do is like this video and subscribe, and we'll send it your way. Just as long as you're nearby, and we don't have to pay for postage.
It's so funny.
Push it up. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Good.
Yeah!
Alright guys, we're done. Probably not gonna paint again for a while because, you know, that was rough. that hurt the confidence a little bit.
No, but you're gonna win.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna win. So see you guys in the next one.
Thank you for watching. Bye.